Please remove your laptop and place it in a separate tray.
Okay, fine.
Now, do you have a tablet or any other large electronic devices?
Yes, I have a tablet.
Please place it in another tray.
Okay.
Now, remove your mobile phone, smartwatch, wallet, keys and coins.
Okay.
Please take off your jacket and bag and put them in the same tray.
Okay.
Are you carrying any liquids?
Yes, I have a small bottle of perfume, toothpaste, and hand sanitizer.
Are they all under 100 milliliters?
Yes, they are all travel-sized bottles.
Excellent. Please place them in a clear plastic bag if you have one.
Yes, I already packed them in a transparent bag.
Are you carrying any batteries or power banks?
No, I don't have power banks or batteries.
You carrying any sharp objects, such as scissors?
No, I'm not.
Any lighters, fireworks, or flammable materials?
No.
Great. Everything sounds fine.
Good to know.
You'll walk through the body scanner.
Okay.
Please stand behind the yellow line until I call you.
Okay.
You may walk through the scanner now.
Okay.
Excuse me, the scanner detected some metal.
Really? I thought I removed everything.
Please check your pockets again. Oh, I forgot some coins in my pocket. That's okay. Please place them in the tray and try again.
Sorry about that.
Please walk through the scanner once more. Excellent. You're clear now.
Great.
Thank you. Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
Could you please open it?
Certainly.
I can see a camera, a charger, some cables, a book, and a toiletry bag. Is there anything else inside?
No, that's everything.
Are you carrying any sharp objects, power bank, scissors, or anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you. Everything is in order. We just wanted to confirm the contents.
I understand.
Please make sure you've collected all your belongings.
Let me check. Yes, I have everything.
Excellent.
What is the next step?
Now, please proceed to immigration. After immigration, follow the signs to your departure gate.
How early should I arrive at the gate?
Please be there at least 30 to 45 minutes before boarding begins.
All right. Thank you for all your help.
You're most welcome. Have a safe and pleasant journey.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to Gate 12.
Good morning.
May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Let me scan your boarding pass.
Of course.
You're a little early. Boarding will begin in about 20 minutes.
That's fine. I'll wait here.
Perfect. Please stay near the gate so you can hear the announcements.
I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin boarding shortly. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Excuse me, which boarding group am I in?
Let me check. You're in group 3.
Okay. When should I come forward?
We'll first board passengers who need special assistance, then families, with young children followed by groups 1, 2, and finally group 3.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Group 3 is now invited to board.
That's my group.
Yes, please come forward.
Here are my passport and boarding pass.
Thank you. Please look at the camera for identity verification.
Sure.
Thank you. Everything matches perfectly.
Perfect.
Your seat is 7A, a window seat.
Perfect.
You're welcome. Do you have only one carry-on bag and one personal item?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Please keep your boarding pass with you until you enter the aircraft.
Okay.
Since it's your first time always, remember that to keep the boarding pass until you're at your destination.
Okay, I understand.
For further assistance, our flight attendant will guide you.
Okay.
You may go to the aircraft now.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.